What's up, guys? I'm gonna be I figured I just got home from work, figured I'd take a quick ride on the DRZ since I hadn't uploaded a video on it yet. It's funny riding these things after getting used to my my FZ8, because this thing just feels like, good God, so motherfucking flickable. And there's a popo. So where I'm going today before this beautiful sunset, I'm going to go up to a super high point where you can see all of the road, etc. It's up by a water tower, and there's two ways to get there. There's a I guess there's an easy way and there's a hard way. Get my nuts on the tank. But yeah, there's an easy way and a hard way. The easy way, I know that I discovered on the way down from going up this hill. The hard way, there is a road through a neighborhood that goes right up to it that's paved. I kind of want to go do it the hard way just to do it. It's kind of a, it probably won't look too crazy on camera, but it's kind of a gnarly climb. Woo! Goddamn old man. Right in the freaking road. But yeah, I was hoping to go up here and film just a little bit. We'll see how that goes. This thing has pretty much been serviced to the freaking hilt over the last couple months. I've changed out all the brake fluid. Flushed, or I guess I should say I flushed the brake fluid out and put new in it. I also, what else did I do? New brake pads, new sprockets front and rear, new chain. There's always cops in this neighborhood too, so I'm sitting here like, great. I take this loud ass thing heading up this freaking steep ass hill. I mean, hell, what are they gonna do? They're gonna follow me? We will see. Not sure if this is the right turn. It is not, but I guess we can handle it anyways. Not sure where this goes. Well, guys, it looks like we can do it the hard way. Let's see, but there is like, the main road is right down there that goes everywhere, and everybody on earth will be able to see me. So let's try to get up this. I guess I'm gonna stay in first. It's gnarlier than it looks. So there's our climb. Look at that view. Stealth mode. Whew. Oh, there's my foot down turnaround from a while ago. Look at that view. Yeah, guys, check that out. Man. Oh, what a view.
your skin, and there's no